Silfra.
In Þingvellier National Park.
So Iceland is like where the European and North American plates like are pulling apart from each other. And this has created in some places a slit in the ground. This particular place is filled with water. So we're going to go snorkeling in that water in that slit.
This is our second day in Iceland and our first time getting out into the wilderness of Iceland, outside of Reykjavik, and it is just otherworldly. It is the camera's not going to do it justice whatsoever, but the snorkeling was my idea, but not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous about it. It should be fun, but also absolutely freezing. Can't even do it justice with the camera. The landscapes are too beautiful. Now we have to strip down to just our wool base layers and then put on a, I don't know what to call this, inner suit before we put on our dry suits. It's like 39 degrees outside, I think. Front. Got our wetsuits halfway on. Put our stuff in dry bags under the benches. This is the getup. So hard to get on.
This is Jackie's range of motion. We have the suits on.
How many years do you guys think?
It's about 40 degrees. Got it, our full getup. Got our mask and fins.
I feel like a Teletubby.
Yep, that's about right. I'm very distorted hearing of everything, including and especially my own voice. But this is very exciting. Here's where we're starting. Here's where we're going. A geology lesson. Somewhere behind those mountains is a glacier. And the glacier actually drains through an underground tunnel under those mountains. It comes out places like this little crevice. And of course that will be a crevice for your snorkeling trip. Imagine ending up in that lake. It is just about go time. So we get an idea of how buoyant those suits are.
They're really buoyant.
So there will be no diving. verdict?
That was amazing. I can't talk right. My mouth is so frozen.
My lips too are just completely numb. But it was so cool. I'm so happy. It's so cold.
Cold and happy.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back from snorkeling at Silfra. Thoughts?
It was so cool.
It was. We've only been here 2 days. It was definitely the highlight of the trip so far, but probably the whole week. Like, it was absolutely incredible. I was really, really nervous about doing it in November because it's already cold outside and the water is about 40 degrees year round because it's fed from a glacier water. And I was way less cold than I thought I was going to be. I thought it was going to be like teeth chattering, like unable to stop shaking, cold, and it was way better than that. You have like a neoprene hood thing and neoprene gloves, so water gets into those, but it doesn't get into the rest of the suit. That was pretty good. I didn't think it was too cold.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was exactly as cold as I thought it would be. Probably had lower expectations, and it also definitely got colder.
I put my expectations at the floor so that they could only be
I had warmer expectations.
Yeah, my expectations
and they
could
were like
only be exceeded. I was also nervous, or I was also having issues at the beginning with kicking, because you don't kick like this, you have to like frog kick, and I was having issues because I wasn't like flexing my feet, and so the guy had to come and like show me what to do because I was falling to the back of the group, even though he said you don't have to like paddle or because there's a slight current, but then you definitely still did. Otherwise you didn't keep up with everyone else. I was also really worried about the mouthpiece because I have a really bad gag reflex, and the suit collar like basically chokes you, so that you don't get any water down the suit. The suit was not an issue whatsoever for me, and the mouth guard just took a couple tries, and then I got used to it, and it was okay.
Yeah. So my favorite part was just how the geology of it, like it's sort of a really, really unique spot in the sense of like you're right on the plate boundary, and it's just the separation of the American and European plates just pulling apart, and you can get a really, really good view of what's going on there, just going down for like hundreds of feet.
Yeah, the crystal clear waters, and there's no fish that live there. So
Yep.
There was like some like algae or something building up on some of the rocks.
Yeah.
But no like things swimming around or anything. And then afterwards we walked back to the vans, got our suits off, and then they gave us hot chocolate and cookies. So that was pretty great.
Cool.
Yeah.